a child smiles, God smiles upon you, said a wise soul. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This is mid-November, a time in India which is synonymous with Children's Day. We take this opportunity to wish all of you a very happy Children's Day. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. The sweetest period of anyone's life is their childhood. Children, we would like to urge you to savor this golden period of your life and create beautiful memories for yourself and others. Each of you is a miracle, having your own special way of making this world a better place for all of us. We may be your teachers, but we also have a lot of things to learn from you, especially how to laugh with all our hearts. Since Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November, the birth date of our first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, it is only appropriate that we pause today to remember his vision for children. He wanted all children to have the opportunity to be educated as they are the future of our country. In 2020, we still have a long way to go to achieve this vision of his. We do not find a better day than this to put forth the appeal that we need to look beyond ourselves and show empathy towards those who are not as fortunate as we are. Dear children, celebrate this day with joy and fully appreciate the gift of childhood that has been bestowed upon you. However, also remember the great responsibility that is yours to work towards a better society where all children are nurtured and educated. Once again, a happy Children's Day.
பசங்களா எழுந்துருங்க, ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ்க்கு டைம் ஆகுதுல்ல.
அம்மா, இன்னைக்கு தான் ஸ்கூல் இல்லல, ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் தானே.
பசங்களை திட்டாதம்மா, ஏன் சீக்கிரம் எழுப்புற? நாளைக்கு கிளாஸ் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணட்டுமே.
நம்ம ஸ்கூலுக்கு போறது எவ்வளவு முக்கியமோ ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸும் அவ்வளவு முக்கியம். அத பத்தி பாட்டா சொல்றேன், கேளுங்க பசங்களா.
இப்போ உங்க பாட்ட பாடினீங்க, கொஞ்சம் எங்க பாட்டையும் கேளுங்களேன்.
Jolly, jolly, jolly doing, jolly, jolly, jolly doing, jolly, jolly, jolly doing. கோவிட் வேணா இருக்கட்டும், நான் வீட்டிலேயே இருப்பேன். நெட் இருக்கு, லேப்டாப் வேணும், உல்லாசமா இருப்பேன். கோவிட் வேணா இருக்கட்டும், நான் வீட்டிலேயே இருப்பேன். நெட் இருக்கு, லேப்டாப் வேணும், உல்லாசமா இருப்பேன். ஏதோ குட்டி அரட்டைய போடுங்கப்பா. எனக்கு ராஜாவானா, எனக்கு ராஜாவானா, எனக்கு ராஜாவானா வாழுறேன். ஆடியோ இல்லனாலும் ஆளுறேன். எனக்கு ராஜாவானா வாழுறேன். வீடியோ இல்லனாலும் ஆளுறேன். ஜாலி 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 டோய், ஜாலி 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 டோய், ஜாலி 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 டோய்.
அப்பா, இவங்க சேட்ட தாங்க முடியல. என்னங்க செய்யறது?
யோசிங்க யோசிங்க, நல்லா யோசிங்க.
நம்ம பசங்களை நாம தான் வழிக்கு கொண்டு வரணும்.
சரிங்க சரிங்க, ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ்க்கு டைம் ஆச்சு, இத பத்தி அப்புறமா யோசிப்போம்.
ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹா சில்ட்ரன், குட் மார்னிங்.
ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹா மேம். குருப்யோ நமஹா மேம்.
Sukhi Bhava children. So did you all have your breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You should have your breakfast before the class. Okay? All right. Now I'm going to take attendance. So please sit straight and answer. Namika?
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Anu? Anu? Anu, are you there? Anu, unmute yourself and answer, ma. Anu? வா, இந்த பசங்களை மியூட் பண்ணு அன்மியூட் பண்ணுன்னு சொல்றதுக்குள்ள வீடியோவும் ஆன் பண்ணல. பிசிக்கலி பிரசண்டா, மென்டலி பிரசண்டா, டிஜிட்டலி பிரசன்ட் ஆனும் ஒன்னும் புரியல.
லேப்டாப்ப உத்து பார்த்தேன் உன்னதான் கொஞ்சம் நோட்டு தான் தெரியல என்ன பண்ண நானும் பிசிக்குள்ள ஃபேன பார்த்தேன் உன்னதான் காணும் கைய கால நீட்டி ஆடும் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் தான் வேணும் எனக்கு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் தான் வேணும் இந்தாங்க ஒர்க் ஷீட் நாளும் களிபோட செய்வாய நீயும் நீ என்று பெறணும் ஒரு நாளும்.
பாப்பா சார், இந்த பசங்க அடிக்கிற லூட்டி இருக்கே 2020ல ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ்ல எவ்ரி டே இஸ் ரியலி சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் டே தான்னா பாத்துக்கோங்களேன். ஆனா ஒண்ணு சார், நம்ம பசங்க கிளாஸ்ல சேட்டை பண்ணாலும் படிப்புன்னு வந்துட்டா இல்ல எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கரிக்குலர் ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ்னு வந்துடுச்சுன்னா எக்ஸாம்லயும் சரி காம்படிஷன்ஸ்லயும் சரி பின்னுன்னு பின்னுவாங்க சார்.
ஆமா மேம், கண்டிப்பா. அதுதானே நம்ம பிஎஸ்பிபி மில்லேனியம் ஓஎம்ஆரோட ஸ்ட்ரென்த்தே. பசங்க கிளாஸ்ல லூட்டி அடிச்சு என்ஜாய் பண்ணாலும் சமத்தா படிக்கிறது மட்டும் இல்லாம மல்டி டேலண்டடா எல்லா காம்படிஷன்ஸ்லயும் மெடல்ஸ் அள்ளிடுவாங்க. அவங்கள புகழணும்னா இந்த சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் டே மட்டும் போதாது மேம், அதுதான் உண்மை.
தங்கங்களே
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all today?
Fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, are you saying something, ma'am?
I only told good morning to you all. I'm
Okay, ma'am.
speaking only.
Ma'am, someone named King Cobra has joined our class, ma'am.
King Cobra, don't worry. I will expel.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Who's
did you
that?
teach anything, ma'am? I was
Not yet.
late, ma'am, because
Don't worry. Not
I had some internet issues.
internet issues. Fine. Okay.
Ma'am, I was never absent till now. Will principal ma'am give me a certificate?
I'm not sure about that, Arya.
Ma'am, I got full marks in all the subjects, ma'am.
That's wonderful. Very good, Gopika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, Sita is sleeping, ma'am. See, ma'am.
Sita. Sita. Sita Gayatri. Go and wash your face and come back quickly. Get up.
Ma'am, can I leave the meeting, ma'am?
Why should you leave the meeting for that? Go wash your face and come back.
Ma'am, how many days? Ma'am,
Ah,
how many days do we have holidays for Diwali?
yourself, all of you. Now mute yourself, all of you. I'm going to teach tenses today. What am I going to teach? Tenses. Okay. Tenses means time of action. What is tenses?
Ma'am,
Time of action.
verbs, not tenses, ma'am.
I didn't tell action words. I told time of action. Okay. Verb means action words. Tenses means it will tell us when the action happened. Okay.
Ma'am, tenses is plural, ma'am.
Tenses is not plural. Okay. So before I start teaching tenses, let's revise verbs. Okay. Now take your English grammar notebook, all of you.
Ma'am, I am not at home. I am in the car. How can I write, ma'am?
Very good. You won't be able to write? Leave it. Just listen to the class.
Ma'am, can I write in a piece of paper, ma'am? The room in which my notebooks are, they are all closed, ma'am. They are all locked.
Very good. Next time, what you should do? Ensure to have all your books and notebooks, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please start the test, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, where should we write?
I asked you to take your English grammar note, right? Go to the last page, all of you. Write today's date and write spot test on top.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am. I can't hear you, ma'am.
Sujata, what action you are doing, Sujata? What action you are doing, Sujata?
Hey, how many times are you telling Srividya? You have to leave the meeting and join again.
No, you should not be rude like that. Okay?
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
I
Okay,
will.
ma'am.
Fine. Now I will give you a sentence. You have to find a verb from that. Okay? Raju brushes his teeth in the morning.
Ma'am,
Okay?
answer is brushes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Padmavati is always telling the answer, ma'am. I never get a chance, ma'am.
Who is that? Who is making noise? Sita, is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
Sita. Sita, you are not supposed to disturb the class like that. Padmavati, you have to wait for your turn. Okay? You will wait for your turn. Yes.
Ma'am, can you teach what a verb is? Ma'am, can you
Meet-
teach what a
meeting
verb
is
is,
going-
ma'am?
Meeting is going to end in 2 minutes.
Ma'am, can we leave, ma'am?
Wait.
Ma'am, what will you teach tomorrow, ma'am? Ma'am, what will you teach tomorrow?
Hey, how many times you will tell Gopika, ma'am will teach verbs and then do tenses?
Got the answer? What, Sujata? I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am, do we have tenses for test, ma'am?
Don't think about test and marks now. Okay, first let us focus on the lesson. Okay, first let us learn, then we will think about the test. Okay, thank you,
Okay,
children.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hello children. Wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Stay safe. Today I am going to demonstrate floating diya. Hope you will like it. Please try this and feel special. First you have to plan your design and keep your cutouts ready. For floating diya I have used waste CD, foam sheets and decorative items. For petal you have to make a box plate and staple it. Like this, keep all the petals ready. I have used here 10 petals of 2 colors. One by one, stick all the petals on a cardboard and staple it. It takes time to stick. After sticking, you can decorate your floating diya according to your wish. For base, I have used here CD and you have to close that hole. Your floating diya is ready. Now take a small vessel or tub and fill it with water. Place your floating diya on top of the water. Now you can light the diya. Now your floating diya is ready. Happy Diwali!
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. On behalf of Diwali celebration, today I am going to show you how to apply mehendi in your hands. For applying mehendi, we need mehendi cone and tissue paper. Now open your palm, take the mehendi cone and start drawing the outline like this. Now we complete the outline. Fill the outline with different types of lines and pattern. By repeating the patterns, complete the mehendi design. Now your hand is filled with beautiful mehendi design. See, my hand is filled with beautiful mehendi design. You can also create your own mehendi design. Happy practicing. Have a safe and happy Diwali. Thank you.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Diwali, the gorgeous festival of snacks and sweets, everyone enjoying a royal feast. When old and young with delight meet with love and affection, do all hearts beat. The significance of Diwali is the removal of ignorance and triumph over evil. As we celebrate Diwali this eventful year of 2020, let there be triumph in every way. Diwali or Dipavali is also observed as Naraka Chaturdashi to celebrate Krishna's victory over Narakasura. It also symbolizes the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after being exiled for 14 years. When he returned, Lord Rama was welcomed home with diyas which were lighted throughout the kingdom. The lighting of diyas signifies the triumph of good over evil, and with all the prayers and people meeting with love in their hearts, overall there is a bright and cheerful atmosphere. A festival of giving, bonding, shared joy, marking prosperity or praying for it to Goddess Lakshmi. Diwali is a festival to indulge in. Socializing is one of the hallmarks of this festival. However, this year, the coronavirus pandemic seems to have subdued the entire energy. To ensure safety, we would like to lay extra emphasis on following social distancing and hygiene protocols. A few ways we can adopt to help light up your celebrations amidst the pandemic: going digital, meeting family and friends virtually, consider DIY decorations, celebrate the festival of lights with necessary precautions, save nature, say no to crackers. May this auspicious occasion light up your life with joy, prosperity, and peace. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. Happy Diwali to my dear students, teachers, and friends.
Hello students, hope you all enjoyed the performance of our teachers. Please appreciate the spirit of our teachers. Not only they are taking online classes for you during this pandemic situation, I think we all should give a good hand for our teachers who have sung songs for you, who have danced for you, and who have done skit also for you. Here we go.